It starts with a decision, the kind of decision you've been putting off for days, maybe even weeks. You've walked past it countless times, pretending not to notice that sticky patch forming under the produce drawer, willfully ignoring the cloudy container shoved in the far back that's probably older than your last vacation. But today, something changes. Today, you decide to deal with it. And this is not just a wipe it down on the surface kind of cleaning. This is a full, unapologetic fridge reckoning. First, if you're going all in, unplug the fridge. Not only does it save energy while you work, but if there's ice buildup in the back or a lingering smell that needs airing out, this gives everything a proper reset. You're going to need some space, so get a cooler or a box ready for your perishables. Or if it's frigid outside, take advantage of nature's help and place things safely outside in the cold air. Then, one by one, start removing every item from every shelf, drawer, and door nook. This is not the time for quick organizing or shuffling things around. This is an evacuation. Nothing stays. Let's uncover the truth about step-by-step fridge cleaning and empower you to make healthy changes. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to join our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. As you empty it out, examine each item. Be honest with yourself. Expired condiments, long-forgotten leftovers, produced with a texture that resembles mystery foam. All of it has to go. Compost what you can, trash what you must. If you find something that's changed colors in ways that science hasn't explained yet, don't open it. Just toss the whole container. You do not need to know what it once was. Let go of the guilt. This is about cleansing your fridge and your spirit. Now that the fridge is cleared, it's time to dismantle it. Most shelves, drawers, and compartments are removable, and trust me, it's worth the effort. Trying to clean around things only results in more frustration. Carefully slide out glass shelves and let them come to room temperature if they're cold. Rinsing them immediately with hot water could cause them to crack, and replacing one isn't fun or cheap. Use warm, soapy water in the sink to give each shelf a good scrub. Get into the corners, around the edges where crumbs and sauce leaks love to hide. Meanwhile, turn your focus to the fridge interior. Prepare a gentle but effective cleaning solution. Either a mix of warm water with baking soda or, diluted white vinegar. Avoid harsh chemicals here, especially ones with strong fragrances. You definitely don't want your next bowl of strawberries tasting like lemon-scented floor cleaner. Using a sponge or microfiber cloth, wipe down every surface inside the fridge. Start from the top and work your way down to avoid drip messes. Pay attention to door seals, the corners, and especially that mysterious vent area in the back that always seems slightly grimy. If you come across hardened spills or unyielding gunk, don't scrub like a maniac. Instead, lay a hot, damp cloth over it for a few minutes. Let it soften and surrender, then wipe clean. Patience always wins against stickiness. When every inch inside is clean and dry, bring back the shelves and drawers. You might even rearrange them based on how you actually use the fridge. Maybe put the taller shelf up a notch, or keep the snacks eye level to avoid forgotten yogurt purgatory. Now comes the mindful part, the return of the food. But this isn't a rush job. Take the time to wipe down sticky jars, rinse off produce containers, and discard items you only kept because you forgot they existed. Group things in zones that make sense. Sauces with sauces, dairy with dairy, leftovers in one area, and please label anything that might go forgotten again. Treat your future self with respect. When all is back in place, plug the fridge back in and close the door. Pause. Take a moment to appreciate the transformation. That hum you hear? That's your fridge, clean and content, finally free of neglect. You just took back control of a small but meaningful part of your home. And maybe, just maybe, it gives you a little spark of calm. The kind that comes not from perfection, but from finally doing the thing you've been avoiding. Cold truths, faced and conquered. Click the link below to get your free top 10 cleaning products guide and your free emergency speed cleaning checklist, and join our free community.